So our next dish features BallPark Franks. Man, I love me a good hot dog. These are my favorite. I love the bun length. They are delicious. We're gonna pair them with some Wright bacon. It's gonna be really good. All we're doing is taking our hot dog, our bun length hot dog, and our Wright's bacon. I'll leave it laid flat out and just roll it up. Once you get it all the way rolled, just like that, leave that flap where you can just put it straight down. Just like that. And I'm gonna get these other ones done real quick so they can start that same sizzle and they can come off at the same time. These are gonna be real good. We'll use a real nice slaw to go with these. Little jalapeno on the top, these are gonna be good. But just roll them up. Man, don't worry about anything, just get it rolled up. Make sure that flap goes down first. The flap will seal the bacon so that it doesn't like get all loose and crazy on you. So just make sure you put that flap down first. It's bacon fat and it wants to stick to each other as it gets that sear going, that Maillard reaction. Just like that. We'll do this last one. These are gonna be good. So for the game, man, I love me a wing. The wings turned out really good. I gotta have me some wings while I'm watching the Final Four. But a hot dog is one of those things that I will take anytime at all. This is just a little slaw. So I make a sauce. This is my smoky barbecue sauce. It's a combination of a couple of different sauces that I make. No, I'm not gonna give you the recipe of that. You use whatever you like for your slaw dressing. I'm gonna just dress this slaw just slightly and give it a good tossing. The other thing I would recommend for this would be that you maybe season it with some salt and pepper. But this is just a cabbage mix. It's really a salad mix that you can find in the produce department. I'm just using it as a slaw. And let me show you what's going on right here. Let's grab our tongs. Once you get these seared on all four sides, man, they're ready to go. But we want to make sure that we get them good and seared. And if it lets go really easy for you, it's ready. And that's what you want right there. See that color that I've got on there? And I'm gonna turn it straight up and down. All four sides will get a sear. And not even, a minute or so per side. Just like that. The goal here is to get the bacon crispy. Now, and I'll also get rid of this guy here. I'm gonna get that ready. Watch this. Take our buns so that they're ready to go. Kind of stick them right here on this thing. Right there. It's just bacon grease. Just gonna make that bun lovely and delicious. That's all. And we'll turn those over in just a second as well. And I kind of cranked up the heat here so you can see just how quick and easy it is. You can feed a really great hot dog to your family and friends while you're watching the game. These are much easier and they go off much better right here on the stovetop instead of on your grill. And it's still wintertime somewhere, so we want to make sure we're cooking indoors for our Final Four. And look, we'll just give that a flip. Give these two guys a flip. That color right there, oh, indeed, look at that. And we're gonna be ready to go here. One thing I wanna do, I wanna slice up that jalapeno. That way I have some nice garnish. Just like that. Just make a good bridge. Protect your fingers. That thumb is the main guy you gotta protect. And we'll grab our tongs, get rid of our buns. They're ready. That's ready. Watch this. The last flip. Look at that. That's what we're looking for right there. Oh my gosh. The BallPark Franks, man, they are so delicious. And we'll get ourselves ready to plate here. Go one, just like so. That looks so good. The slaw is just gonna give it color, give it some flavor, just dazzle a little bit, make your guests feel like they've been treated really special, just like that. Take that slaw and just add some right to our hot dogs. We want to make sure we show off that beautiful ballpark frank, that delicious Wright bacon. Just add some color, and then we'll add a little dazzle right on top. Just 3 slices each. Tell your family, it's time out, y'all come and get a hot dog. And there they are, delicious ballpark franks with slaw and jalapeños and Wright Brand bacon. You just tell your folks, come and get it.